guys, what is up everybody? I'm Seshil and you're watching the channel Tackle Cravings. So hope you guys are all doing good. A very happy new year to everybody. Hope this year goes well. So today we're going to be making this blueberry cake and it's absolutely delicious and indulgent. So without any further ado, let's get started. So first you will be needing half a cup of yogurt or curd. To that I'll be adding 1/4 cup of canola oil. You can add vegetable oil or any flavorless oil. And a 2 tablespoons of fresh cream. And a tablespoon of cream cheese. Now this is optional. You can add a bit of lime juice to it or lemon juice to it. It will be really tasty. And here I'll be adding 3/4 cup of powdered sugar. And to that we'll be adding 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract or essence. Now that our wet ingredients are ready, we will make our dry ingredients. So here I have 1.5 cup of flour. To that I'll be adding a tablespoon of baking powder and a teaspoon of salt. And give that a mix. And we'll bring back to our wet ingredients. Now we will be adding the dry ingredients gradually. So here I'll be divided into 2 parts. Now I added the first part and give that a mix. And now the second part. The batter should be little thick. Now I'm changing it into a spatula. Here I'll be adding a tablespoon of milk and bind that really well. Now in a separate bowl, here I have 2 tablespoons of powdered sugar. To that I'll be adding 2 tablespoons of flour or Maida and give that a stir. Now here I have fresh washed blueberries. These are of 100 grams. Now you can go for frozen as well, but the fresh ones are very tasty. Now here I have the sugar and powder mixture and I'll be adding to that. And the reason why we are adding the sugar, it really brings out the blueberries taste and coat all the blueberries with the sugar flour. Now here I have 1/4 cup of flour. To that I'll be adding cold butter. These are of 1 tablespoon and make it into a very crumbly texture because we're going to be adding them on the top for that very crunchy taste. So here I have 6-inch cake pan. To that I've applied good amount of butter. And then I have placed parchment paper. This is a very crucial step. Do not miss the butter. Now add the batter onto the cake pan and spread it evenly with the spatula. So now this is the first addition and now we will add the coated blueberries in the middle. Now add the rest of the batter on top of the blueberries. This will give a very even berries to all the bite you're gonna have. And spread it evenly again, coating all the berries which we have placed underneath. And now we will add the rest of the berries. And now here I have the crumbled flour. We will be adding this on top again. This will give a very crunchy taste to the cake, so do try this. And now we will bake this at 180 degrees for 45 to 50 minutes. And please make sure you're subscribed to my channel. Now look how beautifully our cake have baked and come, and make sure you have to rest this for about 30 minutes before you're serving it. So please make sure you're actually giving time to rest. And now it's done. It's so beautiful. Each layer has that blueberry taste. Do give this recipe a try. Also hit the like, share and subscribe to my channel. Do hit the bell icon to get notified until I bring you an amazing recipe. Till then, ciao!